So let us get started with the first step, which is filtering the data. Okay, now here's an example that I'll show. Right here, we are trying to filter all those rows where the device column has the value mobile. Right, so we use the filter function. The first argument is the name of the data set, and the second argument is the condition for filtering. Right, so now let us try this out. Okay, I'll go to RStudio. First we'll load the dplyr library using the library function. Right, so if you're not installed dplyr, you can use install.packages dplyr, or you can also use install.packages tidyverse. Right, so if you install tidyverse, it will install dplyr as well. Right, now we have loaded the dplyr package. Let us import our data set. Right, so here is the data that we are going to read in. Now one thing that we are doing here is that we'll also specify the data type while we read them in. Right, so we have data which is numeric, we have data which is character, we have data which is factor, and we also have data which is logical. Right, so we'll use the readr library. Okay, so let me load that here. Right, so we'll use the readr package, and we'll use the read underscore csv function. The data set that we are using is available in the learning management system, so you can just download that into your laptop or your desktop, and then you can read that in. The data is also available on GitHub, so you can use this particular link if you want to read it directly from GitHub. Right, and then we are trying to specify the data type for each of these variables or columns, and in case of categorical data, we are also specifying the categories or levels. Now this is covered in our course import data into R. So if you have any confusion regarding reading the data into your system, please go through that course, and then you'll understand this particular code that we are going to run. Right, so now I'll run this code, and we should be able to import the data set. Right, so let us take a quick view of the ecom data set. Right, so here you can see it. Right, okay, great. Now we'll start by filtering data. Right,